Hi everyone, welcome to New Year's first video. I will show you again so simple 2 rows repeating triangle shawl. I made a sample with 3.5mm hook and size 3 yarn. It's so simple. Again, I wish very happy New Year. Okay. I will use again size 3 yarn, and if you're ready we can start to crochet our so simple triangle shawl. Let's start to crochet. First of all, we will make a magic ring. Like that I hold it. Grab my yarn, insert in it and make 1, 2, 3 chains. Count as my first double. Yarn over, insert into the same hole, grab my yarn and make loosey double. 2, yarn over, insert into the same hole, grab my yarn, pull through 2, and count this chain 3 as my first double crochet. So I have totally 3 double. Chain 2, yarn over and make here 3 more double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. I'm not make so tight my double crochets. Okay. Then hold this yarn tightly. Of course, you can start with chain 4 and turn back and insert your hook first chain and make a little hole with chains. Okay, it's so you can do that. Then I want to lock this hole, so I grab these 2 yarns together and make here 1 single crochet like that. Then leave it because I lock here. At here 5 more, 2, 3, 4 and 5, sorry, 4 more. Totally I have here 5 chains, and turn my work, chain 3 and yarn over, insert into the last stitch, grab my yarn, make double, chain 2 and make 1 more double in the same stitch. I have 5 chains, insert into the first stitch the same stitch and join with a single crochet. Okay. Then chain 3, yarn over, insert into the chain 2 space of previous row and make here double, chain 3, come to first stitch, come to last stitch, the previous row's first stitch, chain 3, stop, make 1 single, chain 2, yarn over, insert into the same stitch and finish with double crochet. That's the second row. Then 1, 2, 3 chains and count, turn your work, count as your first double crochet, yarn over, insert into the same and make here 1 more double crochet, chain 2, yarn over, insert into the same and make here 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2. We start our repeating pattern. Okay, 2 double, chain 2, 2 double, then yarn over and come to previous row's double, stop and make here again 2 double, not make any chains between of these shells, chain 2 and make 2 double, yarn over, skip this single and chains, come to last double crochet and make your 2 double, chain 2, 2 double. Of course you can make 3 double, 2 chain 3 double, but I made this sample 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double in the same stitch, the last stitch. That's it. Again 1, 2, 3 for my double, 2 for space and turn my work, insert into the same stitch and join with a single crochet. This is first one. 1, 2 and 3 chains, yarn over, come to chain 2 space of previous row and make here double. 1, 2, 3 chains, Between of two shells here, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, come to chain 2 space and make double. 1, 2, 3 chains, come to between of these two shells here, join with a single. 1, 2, 3, yarn over, insert the chain 2 space and make double. 1, 2, 3, come to last stitch, join with single, but don't forget chain 2 and make one more double crochet in the last stitch, because you make here increases here from the starting and the finishing. Don't forget that. Finish that row. That's the repeating. I will show you one more time, and it's so simple. 1, 2, 3, count as your first double, yarn over, insert into the same stitch. This is 2, chain 2, yarn over, insert into the same and make 2 more. 1 and 2. Yarn over, skip the single and work only the top of these doubles. Make here 2 double, not make any chains between of them. Chain 2 and make here 2 more double crochet. Not make any chains, yarn over, skip this single crochet and chains, come to double stop, make here 2 double, 1 and 2, chain 2 and make 2 more, 1 and 2, yarn over, not make any chains, skip chains, single crochet, come to top of this double, make here 2 double, 1, 2, chain 2 and make 2 double more, 1 and 2, yarn over, skip these chains, this single crochet, insert the last stitch, stop, make here 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double, 1 and 2. That's it. Now we will make our chains row. You can see that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your work, insert into the first stitch and join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, come to chain 2 space, make double. 1, 2, 3, come to between of these two shells and join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, come to chain 2, make double. 1, 2, 3, between of them single crochet. 1, 2, 3, come to chain 2 space, make double. 1, 2, 3, between of them make single. 1, 2, 3, make here double, between of them make single, 3 chains, make double. Don't forget your last increase, chain 3, insert the last stitch, join with a single, then chain 2 and make your increasing sides double here. That's it. Chain 3 and turn your work and make your shells. You will make your shells only double stop, skip the single crochets and chains, and between of these shells not make any chains. Yarn over, skip them, come to double stop and make your 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double. That's so simple and so fast crocheting. You will keep repeat which size you want. If you want to use it as a caul, you need minimum 110 centimeter width. If you want to use a big triangle shawl, you need nearly 140-50 centimeter you need. You can put tassels on 3 corner. I think it's very wonderful. It will be very wonderful. You can use multicolor yarns with that pattern also. I want to make it only white because I think it looks great. Hope you like it and you will try, you will keep repeat also these 2 rows. In new year we will make new projects and more beautiful things, I hope. Thanks for your kind comments and your support. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.